different setups down here to this gravel pit. It's got a creek that's got a pipe full pumping into it, just absolutely gushing into it. This should be prime. Crappie, largemouth, who knows what the hell we're getting into. Gulp minnows, I'll bust that out after a while. I'm gonna throw moving baits, crank baits. I got a square bill tied on. I'm going to tie this swim bait on. All right, I got a big old gulp minnow, swim bait, square bill. We're zooming. This is always a dangerous trek down. Usually well worth it. Like, these are not good things to be falling on. They should be on here. They should be on. First things first, I guess. And I'm really just gonna slowly roll it through this current. There's a pipe that's gushing out of here. That got hit. Oh, I'm on. He hit it right when I casted it over that current, and he hit it right when it got there. Thumped it. This little bitty Strike King square bill is probably gonna get him like every cast, as long as I get it in the right spot. Another one around the same size as the one I caught on that swim bait, and he just ticked it just like that. Felt just like that swim bait bite. Oh, felt just like that swim bait bite. He just ticked it. We're gonna make a trek over here real quick. You have to be an absolute athlete to even attempt to fish in this spot. Check this out. The absolute forbidden sauce. I'm probably gonna be able to just put a crankbait in the water right here and not even fish it, but just keep it there. And it might get lit up. I just hooked one there. Damn. I just had a fish hook there. Like on the figure 8 right here. Oh, I just had another one hooked right there. I'm about to pull up to this spot, see how many fish I can catch before I get kicked out. If I don't get kicked out, I'm just gonna dip after 30 minutes or an hour. Get out of here. Hopefully we can get a lot of fish in here. I think we will. These are some cop calling mother. Pretty sure I just had a hit, but I need to be pulling something big through here with some vibration. Oh, I got a fish, but there's gonna be a crappie beat down probably. There's a bunch of these little crappies in here, and they are aggressive. Yep. It's gonna be a crappie beatdown. If I tied 2 jigs on the hook, I could catch 2 at once. I know there's bass galore in here. We're gonna do one more cast with this crappie jig. And then I'm gonna get on those bass, but check this out. It's gonna be immediate. That's a nicer crappie right there. Wait, I might keep fishing for the crappies. If they're this nice. Check that out. I mean, these winds are ripping. These little drainage spillway things are awesome to fish. If you can find any of your neighborhood ponds that have this, they're gonna be absolute money. Anytime it rains, it's gonna be sending food down to them, whether it's connected to a creek and it's sending minnows or just bugs and worms. They come to it, they flock to it. And even on a super cold day like this, like they're gonna be feeding right out in front of that thing every time. All right, here's my absolute last cast. I cannot take it no more. My hands are done. Sorry about you. Alright, time to go. We gone. Alright, we're out of here. See you next time.